Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 2nd, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 2 stars and the 4-star Sudokus. So 2 puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 6855. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has not a lot. 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one. We'll see. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then I need to think, yeah. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we will get 3 ones here. Yeah, not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay, let me see. 3 ones we have here in this row. If I place number 4 there, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Finishing 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.